Hi, I'm Dennis. I received a few questions about dust shoes that have transparent skirts so that you can see the bit while the route is carving. So I did some research and performed tests to compare a few transparent prototypes that I made to the more conventional design that uses a brush. And this is the final design that I come up with. Now, let me make clear that I'm not criticizing other dust shoe designs with a transparent skirt. I have seen many different versions, and I do not know how they perform because I didn't do a comparison test with those. So what I show here in this video are the findings with just my transparent dust shoe design. And I would like to share some of the solutions that I came up with to solve the technical challenges that I ran into when developing this transparent dust shoe. I tried several different kinds of plastics for the transparent skirt, but clear silicone turned out to be the best option. Silicone is heavy enough to keep the skirt down and flexible enough to lightly brush over the stock surface and also easily move around clamps. The problem with silicone is that it's very difficult to glue onto any type of material. There are a few specialty glues available, but the ones that really work are not cheap. In the end, clamping the silicone skirt worked the best. Another problem with my earlier designs was that the ribbons got sucked into the vacuum nozzle. Now, my vacuum is only 4 horsepower, and I can imagine that this problem will be even worse with a more powerful vacuum system. I found that cutting the silicone into thinner ribbons practically solved this, as it allows more air to pass in between. So let's have a look at how it performs. First, I will show you the dust created without a dust shoe. Then I'll show you my earlier design with a brush, and then this transparent design for comparison. I think you can see that this transparent version does not match the capabilities of the brush version, but it still does a pretty good job of preventing the dust from flying around everywhere. And although the sawdust that sticks to the silicone may eventually obscure the view, the silicone is very easy to clean with a damp sponge. So if you prefer to keep an eye on the route a bit while it's at work, and you don't mind a little bit of dust, a transparent dust shoe like this might be a good option. Thank you for watching, and keep on routing.